Welcome to Sojourn Travels, your guide to the world's most captivating destinations. Today, we're taking you on a breathtaking journey through the enchanting Netherlands, a country known for its iconic windmills, endless tulip fields, charming canals, and vibrant cities brimming with culture and history. From world-class museums in Amsterdam to the storybook village of Gogh, the Netherlands offers a blend of natural beauty, innovation, and rich traditions. Whether you're a first-time visitor or returning to explore more, this video will help you discover top attractions, hidden gems, and practical tips to make the most of your Dutch adventure. So, sit back, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to comment below with the places in the Netherlands you're most excited to explore or have already fallen in love with. Let's begin our unforgettable journey through this remarkable country. 1. Netherlands Bio. The Netherlands is a small yet fascinating country bursting with unique features. It's the world's largest producer of tulips, blanketing the landscape in colour every spring. It's also home to more bicycles than people, a testament to the Dutch cycling culture that runs deep through cities and countryside alike. Around a quarter of the country lies below sea level, leading to ingenious water management systems, including the famous windmills, not just quaint icons but historically vital machines. The Dutch are also some of the best English speakers in the world, making travel easier and more engaging. Add in world-famous cheeses like Gouda and Edam, and you've got a nation where every detail, from flowers to food, tells a story of resilience, creativity, and community. 2. Amsterdam, the capital of culture. Amsterdam, the heart and soul of the Netherlands, is a city like no other. Its 17th-century canals, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, weave through neighbourhoods that feel like stepping into a painting. The city is a cultural powerhouse, home to the Rijksmuseum, the Van Gogh Museum, and the hauntingly powerful Anne Frank House. Tulip mania, one of history's first economic bubbles, started right here in the 1600s, a quirky reminder of the city's trading legacy and floral obsession. And don't miss the floating flower market or the effortless charm of Amsterdam's cycling lifestyle, a perfect way to explore its lively cafes, multicultural neighbourhoods, and timeless beauty. 3. Zaanse Schans, a living museum. Just outside Amsterdam lies Zaanse Schans, a village that feels like an open-air museum. With its collection of historic windmills, workshops, and wooden houses, this destination brings Dutch heritage to life. Here, you can step inside working windmills that still grind spices and oils, watch artisans craft traditional wooden clogs, and visit a cheese farm to sample mouth-watering Dutch cheeses. Surrounded by lush fields and scenic canals, Zaanse Schans is a must-visit for anyone craving a deeper connection to the Netherlands' past. 4. Kokenhof Gardens, a floral fantasy. Next, we venture to Kokenhof Gardens in Lisse, also known as the Garden of Europe. Open just a few weeks each spring, this 79-acre masterpiece explodes with over 7 million flowers, mostly tulips, but also hyacinths, daffodils, and more. Each year, Keukenhof hosts a new theme, transforming its landscape into a living canvas of colour and scent. With eco-friendly gardening practices and carefully curated exhibitions, Kokenhof isn't just beautiful. It's a celebration of Dutch floral art and sustainability. 5. Kinderdijk, Windmill Wonderland. A true icon of Dutch engineering, Kinderdijk is a UNESCO World Heritage Site where 19 historic windmills stand proudly along the waterways. Built in the 1700s to manage water levels in the lowlands, they are a testament to the Netherlands' fight against the sea. Visitors can step inside the windmills, take scenic bike rides along the dikes, or cruise by boat for breathtaking views. Cultural events throughout the year bring local traditions to life, making Kinderdijk an immersive, unforgettable experience. 6. The Hague, heart of diplomacy. The Hague, or Den Haag, is the political centre of the Netherlands and a beacon of international peace. Home to the Dutch Parliament and the International Court of Justice, the city is where diplomacy and history intertwine. Don't miss the Peace Palace, the Mauritshuis with Vermeer's girl with a pearl earring, or a relaxing day at the nearby beaches of Scheveningen. With its rich mix of governance, art, and seaside charm, The Hague offers a unique Dutch experience. 7. Delft, the city of blue and white. Famed for its elegant blue and white pottery, Delft is a city where art and history meet. Royal Delft, the original manufacturer of Delftware, still produces hand-painted ceramics using centuries-old techniques. Stroll the cobbled streets to see the old and new churches, explore canals lined with artisan shops, and learn about the city's most famous son, Rembrandt. Delft is a living gallery of Dutch elegance and craftsmanship. 8. Rotterdam, modern marvel. Unlike its historic neighbours, Rotterdam is sleek, bold and modern. Nearly rebuilt after World War II, the city boasts futuristic architecture like the cube houses and the sweeping Erasmus Bridge. Its massive port is one of the largest in the world, driving global trade and innovation. With a thriving arts scene, the International Film Festival, and stunning green spaces like Kralingse Bos, Rotterdam is a city of forward-thinking creativity. 9. Leiden, birthplace of great minds. Leiden is home to the Netherlands' oldest university, founded in 1575, and to influential thinkers like Einstein and Descartes. It's also the birthplace of Rembrandt, whose legacy still echoes in the city's streets and museums. Visitors can enjoy the tranquil Hortus Botanicus, walk in the footsteps of scholars, or attend one of the city's literary or film festivals. Leiden offers a peaceful, intellectually rich atmosphere perfect for thoughtful travel. 10. Utrecht, the towering heart of Holland. Utrecht's canal-side cafes and wharf cellars give the city a warm, welcoming vibe. The Dom Tower, the tallest in the Netherlands, rises above a skyline rich in medieval charm. The city pulses with music, from classical festivals to avant-garde concerts, and offers lush parks and botanical gardens for quiet reflection. Utrecht is where history, culture, and creativity intersect beautifully. 11. Giethoorn, Venice of the North. In Giethoorn, roads give way to waterways. Here, boats glide past thatched cottages and arched wooden bridges in a fairy tale village with no cars. You can explore by whisperboat, visit the local museum to learn about village life, or head to the nearby Weerribben-Weeden National Park for canoeing, hiking and birdwatching. Giethoorn is a peaceful paradise you won't want to leave. 12. Groningen, young, bold and creative. In the north, Groningen blends youthful energy with a deep sense of culture. Its iconic Martini Tower offers sweeping views of the vibrant city below, where students, artists, and entrepreneurs shape a progressive and sustainable future. Home to the Eurosonic Noorderslag Music Festival and cutting-edge public spaces, Groningen is a city of constant evolution. Parks, bikes, and a forward-thinking spirit make this northern gem a destination all its own. 13. Haarlem, a hidden treasure. Just west of Amsterdam, Haarlem is a quieter, more intimate city full of history and charm. Visit the Frans Hals Museum, marvel at St. Bavo's Cathedral, and wander cobblestone streets lined with hidden courtyards. The city's centuries-old brewing tradition lives on in places like Jopen Brewery, while the scenic Spaan River adds a picturesque touch to any visit. Haarlem is the perfect blend of old-world charm and cozy modernity. From its iconic landscapes and world-class museums to its quiet villages and innovative cities, the Netherlands is a country that invites you to slow down, look closer, and discover something extraordinary around every corner. We hope this guide has inspired your own journey through Dutch culture and countryside. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Sojourn Travels, and share your favourite places in the comments below. Where would you go first? The tulip fields, the windmills, or the canals? May your sojourn through the Netherlands be filled with wonder, discovery, and unforgettable memories. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and happy travels from Sojourn Travels.